Good evening, everyone. My name is Igbokwe. I want to advise my people concerning the planned protest tomorrow for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. I have nothing to worry about concerning his release, but I'm worried about thousands of people that were killed from 2015 to 2025 in the Southeast as a result of sit at home and activities of, unknown gunmen, ESN, IPOB, Biafra Defense Force. They slaughtered our people. They humiliated our people. I can't count the number. I myself am a victim. I don't want us to dance on the graves of people that were killed between that 2015 and 2025. Or some people whose houses were razed down. So the protest they want to do tomorrow, is it for what? Is it to ask the offenders to just go? I myself as a writer and a public commentator, knew what happened in the Southeast in 10 years. Our people were slaughtered. Some people left their homes. Some like Ipitokwa, Ihiala, they lost. Some of them that are in Lagos have not been to their house. They have been home in the past 5 years. They have not troubled them. It's now that the military men, Nigerian military, is taking back those villages they seized for years. So we can't be going to war, we can't be making mistakes we've been making since 1960. We're making since 1960. We can't continue to repeat it. I saw massive number of our people talking about this protest. Is it that we cannot think? Is it that we did not know what happened in the East in the past 10 years? Some of us have not traveled to Southeast, getting to 5 years now. All kinds of criminality were taken to the East. All in the name of struggle for Biafra. People now saw it as a business. They began to extort money from people. They go into petrol stations, buy fuel and go. We'll go into supermarkets and take money. They tax the communities. They tax the markets. In fact, they formed a government within a government. And everybody kept quiet. Only Professor Soludo, the governor of Anambra State, came out to set up a panel of inquiry led by Professor Dinkalo and Bianco No, to find out what happened in Anambra State in 10 years. The report was shocking. Families complained that they told them, after killing their breadwinners, they told them if they make noise, if anybody hears what happened, they will come back and clear the whole family. So everybody kept quiet. Igbo versus Igbo. Igbo killing Igbo. What do we gain? If we evaluate, if we study, if we make investigations of what happened in Igbo land in 10 years, 2015 to 2025, Nigerians will weep. I've been dropping the information of what I know, the things that I have, for over 2 weeks now, for Nigerians to study and know what happened, especially people from Southeast. We cannot continue to make the same mistakes. Igbo killing Igbo. And tomorrow you want us to come out and march and ask for the release of those who did this damage, the colossal damage, massive killing, massive burial in Igbo land. The worst thing were those of them that were killed between 2010 and 2015 and 2025 were not buried properly. You don't have the space to do. They never had the space to do that. Everybody was on the run. People were not talking. So I want our people, especially our people, to reflect on what they want to do tomorrow to avoid another bloodshed. Let us go inside our various houses and think. We can't continue to repeat the same mistakes every year, every 5 years, every 10 years, every 15 years, every 20 years. We are not making progress. Let us engage. Let us stop this fight. How can you kill the people that you are defending? You are killing them. So what is the gain? What is your gain? So for my friend Shore, he has been my friend for years, and I've advised him to remove his hand from what is happening in Igbo land. This protest they are planning tomorrow. You cannot dance on thousands of graveyards where people were buried. You cannot. You don't know what happened. If you don't know what happened, you come and I will explain to you. Actions carry consequences. It is we, people like us, that can tell you what happened, and I've been dropping it. So let us reflect on our past. You cannot continue to do war all the time. It is time to think. It is time to bring all the matter on the table and let us discuss. It's only a fool that will continue to make mistakes all the time. It will not help us. Igbo land lies in ruins, and it is we that use our hands to destroy Igbo land. So let us seek peace. War is not an option. Peace is the way to go. Let us reflect and where we have made mistakes and try to amend it. I rest my case.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Gentle Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe.